So this is the motor. Pulled it out finally. Yeah, the bottom, it was super dirty. I mean, you could see all those grease, oil stains, whatever. It was worse. My dad, he had a he had took like a spatula, like scraper thingy to the motor. He cleaned it up pretty good. I'll probably throw up some pictures of how it looked like before. All this, well, this side, this is how it came out. This is how this side came out. So this side wasn't as bad as the other side. This side was super duper bad. I mean, you could probably see under. No, he had cleaned it. But yeah, I'm gonna start tearing the motor apart, start getting everything organized. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for this video. Just tear down the motor, see the valves, bearings. Probably not this video. I might not get down to the rotating assembly in the bottom, but probably get down to the cylinder heads. I'm not completely sure where I'm gonna get down to, but I won't get down to nothing if I don't start. So I'm gonna just start taking this down. It is a new day. That's why I'm dressed differently, just in case someone's wondering, whoever's wondering. Goes the intake, lower intake, gaskets. Damn, this shit is fucked up. Whoa. Smells good. Very good. So this is the lifter valley. Right here where all your lifters, these little things. I was moving these valves. This one, I mean, they seem fine, but this one, I'm not sure if it's open. I'm not sure if that valve's open. That's why it's not turning. This one as well, look. This one turns. This one, this one, this one, this one, and I think one more right here somewhere. But that's most likely because the valves are open. Cat, shut up. And then I did see this. What the fuck? How the fuck did this get in here? It's like a little piece of plastic or something. But I did a couple months ago. I did put new gaskets right here for the lower intake. I did get a new gasket for that intake. So that's why this kind of looks brand new. And also the reason why I'm rebuilding the motor is because right here, it's on some valves. I don't know if you could probably see it, but can't really see it. But I'll show you guys once I have the heads off and everything. So basically, there was oil coming out, or yeah, there was oil going into the combustion chamber, and I had taken off the exhaust, and there's oil coming out the exhaust ports, and there's oil there. It's like gummy. It's like gummy oil with like carbon and all that in the actual valves, on the actual valves. I do have videos or pictures. I'm not sure, one of those. I'll probably throw it up on the screen. But yeah, I had taken off the upper and lower intake manifold. I had cleaned it up and everything, and until I saw the valves and all that, there's oil going through it. So I was like, you know what, since it's that far deep into the engine, I'm gonna just take apart the whole engine, rebuild it. So that's the plan. Now gotta take off these valve covers. If I could find try to save these if I can. These are literally like less than a month old, because I had gotten these silicone or whatever the fuck. I had gotten these, and for some reason this one on this side, I guess it didn't line up right on the cylinder head, so it had like right here, it had cut. It had sliced the gasket in half, so it would leak onto the exhaust. And so I just replaced one of them, which is that that blue one. So, and then I have the other blue one for the other side, which it's not even used. Just put it away. But as you can see, the motor, when I had bought the car, came with roller rockers. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's 1.6 ratio. SVO Ford. Looks like, oh no, what the fuck is that? Oh, it's gasket. It's gasket material. Well, at least it's not scratching. I thought scratches, but probably a little bit of scratches right there. But let's see. Is that one open? Oh, that one's. I'm sure some are gonna be loose, cause I mean they're meant to be like that. A little tiny play here and there. But if your push rod is going up and down or side to side a little bit, well, side to side, it shouldn't be going side to side, but the actual rockers, they have a little bit of play. But if your valve, if your push rods are going up and down while it's closed or even open or whatever, that's you need to tighten the valves, because then there's gonna be lash, there's gonna be a gap. So, and it does have springs. It came with springs. The motor came with springs when I had bought the car. I'm not sure what kind of springs, what's the pound or whatever. I'm not sure what they are, but I mean, they look pretty little motor. A bit of purple doesn't hurt nobody. I actually like the purple. Makes the engine pop a little bit. All right, time to get the alternator, all this. Well, this is the only accessory on it, but time to get all this bullshit off the front. Oh shit. There's a big boy alternator. There we go. Take it off. Let's see. Oh, this one. Oh, hope he's not seized. Son of a good. Son, sure. Oh, yeah, fuck. Hey, not sure. Cracking it up. Might be dirt from the. Oh, that's motor. Ow, fuck me. Fucking hard. Holy shit, that hurt. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. That might fucking stuck. Nope. Oh, what's up? Let's see. That's all my sticks. Nope, too loose. That's me. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can put some. This bullshit in the back. What the fuck did you just sneak? It's weird. Smoking one. There you go. Come on. Yeah. I want to take impact of this and then just gonna fucking. Well, you might not, but I thought you were snapping the bolt. Doesn't matter, man. All this all over the place. Tiny cover, water pump, everything. There you go. Hold it. Actually. Uh-oh. There you go. Just pour out the coolant like this. There wasn't that much in it. Just let that piss right there. I'm sure that'll be fine, right? No? Holy shit. Holy shit, that's dirty. Look at that. See? Focus. I'm sure you can see it. Oh. Fuck. Oh shit. That's what the water pump looks like. Got coolant all on my fucking shoes. Of course. Just had to be on my shoes. Had to be on my shoes. I can't find the socket for that bolt. And I know I have one somewhere. Cause I spun the motor through there. Let's see. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Oh. Alright. Let's see. Yeah. Fuck. Wow, that came off super easily, or easy, whatever the fuck. What? Why was that so easy? Let's see this one. Oh, what? What's going on? These should not be this easy to fucking take off. What's going on here, man? What's going on? Ow. Fuck. Oh well. Spills. Oh, that's oil. Oh. I forgot that shit was open. Oh no. Also, I'm not sure if they I don't know what what they did with these heads, but they have ARP bolts on them, so they're not the original bolts, which is weird. I wonder what they did. I wonder what they did. Or they probably just wanted ARP bolts. Who doesn't want ARP bolts? I do. All right, those are loose. Nice. Oh, why are these harder? Never mind. Easy first time. This one's super easy to come off now. Like, super easy. If anybody could let me know, are these bolts supposed to be like they take no effort, even though I'm over here grunting or moaning? No, not moaning. I mean, it takes some effort, but not that much. But let me know if these are super easy to come off, because from what I can feel, these are just, for cylinder heads, these are too easy to come off. But I don't know, maybe. Now I need to make space for these heads. I have no space. I mean, look at this workbench, man. No space at all. I mean, pure bullshit. You got a mini bike clutch right here. This, oh no, I need help. Goes the head. Where do I even? I've never done this before. I'm excited. Oh, yes. Stop moving, bitch. Come on. Yes. Holy shit, these are heavy. Here's the cylinders, the pistons. Wow, I've never, none of this, never. But here, let me get you off of that. They don't look, you see all that oil, all that, you can see it right here a lot. You can see it. So what I'm thinking it is all this oil is let's go walk over here really quick. Those valve seals, see those seals in there? That's, I think. So I'm gonna flip these heads over. Fuck. This cylinder looks like it was running pretty good. I mean, besides the oil, but before, I mean, that tan color, that carbon, these, what the fuck? Are these supposed to be like this? But anyways, you could see the oil. I mean, you could taste it from here. There's so much oil in here. Like, look at all that. And I'm guessing that's from, yeah, look at that. I'm guessing that's all from the valve seals. I'm gonna go on a wild guess. So that's that. Let's go pull off the other head. Nice. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, God. The pistons, these two, look like there was a lot of oil going onto the piston, especially this one. You can see that. Looks like the oil was kind of washing, cleaning up the piston. Because look, all this, all that on the right, and right there, and right there, it's all like washed, it's all cleaned up. So it seems like the piston was getting washed, either that from the oil, or the gasket is bad somewhere around here, or around here, and the coolant was steam cleaning it. So the coolant was so hot that it was steaming and it was cleaning the top of the pistons, like right here. See that? Right here too. Right here. You can see it right there. That whole thing on the piston, not on the deck, on the piston. These two pistons look decent, pretty well. Besides this, there's like some discoloration right there. See how it turns into dark and then tan? This one too. But looks pretty good overall. Besides these two, I mean, it's not horrible, but you know. Now I'm gonna take off the lifters, these little thingies right here. Got those? Here's the lifters. This is these right here. So this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. How to keep them in order. So, oh wait, there's numbers on them. 1, 2. Let's see. Oh no, never mind. Anyways, I don't know. There's a lot of scratching. You can see they're a little bit dirty because I was wiping it down with the dirty rag, paper towel. But here's the lifters. They look, I mean, a little bit scratched up right here. This one's pretty bad. But what do you guys think? This one looks like there's more wear on the left than the right. Uneven wear. These looks like they're wearing evenly, besides that one right there. This one looks pretty good right here. I would say the ones that look worse is this one, big gouge right there. I could feel that with my nail. So that one, maybe this one, and maybe that one. But the rest, I mean, they look pretty good. Here are the dog bones, or whatever you want to call them. People call them that. So that's how the lifters are looking, but we won't know how bad these lifters are until we see the camshaft. The camshaft is really gonna tell us where, if there's wear or not, because these are roller rockers. So, I mean, not roller rockers, roller lifters, whatever you want to call them. So these roll and they have less friction than regular lifters that don't roll. So less friction, less heat, but they could have been tightened down a little too much, which means it's too tight on the crankshaft, so that means it's pressing down on it. So I'll pull out the crankshaft. I still don't have a socket for that. But you can see the crankshaft in there. You can see it right in there. So I'm gonna go get the socket. I'm gonna get the tool to pull the harmonic balancer off, and then the water pump, or the timing chain cover. So got the harmonic balancer off. Came off super easily. That worries me, that the crankshaft is bad. But I'm gonna take off the timing chain cover. Oh no. Oh no. It's a timing cover. Put that on the side. Just put it right here. That. That's not. That's funny. That's not good. At all. What the fuck? Yeah. There it goes. Let me clean this up. Timing chain. What the hell? Oh, the key. I think the key's a little bit not bent. Pointed up. There's the key for the crankshaft for the gear. There you go. No missing teeth. Now, time for the camshaft. The magic wand. Magic wand. I love these magic wands. They make popcorn sounds. It's the only popcorn I like to hear. It doesn't look bad, but I still need to clean it up and see. There you go. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, that rust. That doesn't look good. Rust. Rust. All this is rust. Pure rust. Well, not pure, but this, I think this is the original oil pump. Now the main caps done. Oh no. Fuck. The bearing got stuck. Oh no. Horrible. There's a lot of scratches that I could catch my nail on. Again, a lot of gouges.